Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix a leaky faucet. So first of all, you need to determine if it is the hot or the cold one that is leaking. And to do this, you need to close the main water. If your sink has like valves for it, it's good. So mine, it has valves for it here. So I'm gonna close, for instance, now the cool one. And if the leakage stops, it means only the cold water is leaking. So now that we determined that it's the cold water that is leaking, keep it closed here, the valve, so that you can change the cartridge inside. And you need to get the name of the faucet. It's usually here. So this one is called Riobel, and I searched on Amazon and I got this cartridge so that to replace it. And to be able to do this, you need these tools. You need locking pliers, you need also a crescent wrench, you need a Phillips head screwdriver, and also you need WD-40, especially if the faucet here, it is calcified and it is very hard to remove. And this is the case here, so I'm gonna show you how to remove it even if it is stuck. So let me zoom in for you to see. First thing you need to do is to remove the top here. Sometimes it is a pop-up and sometimes it is a screw-on. So this one is a screw-on. I'm gonna just unscrew it like this. And inside you have a Phillips head screw. You need to unscrew it so that to be able to remove it. And once it is unscrewed, just pop this up like this. Now this is sometimes very hard to remove because it's calcified. So what you need to do is to put WD-40 here in it, and like everywhere here, and then leave it a little bit, like a couple of hours, so that it will loosen up. And to be able to remove this, because it is stuck, because the water was dripping everywhere, you need gloves that have a grip. If you don't have these kind of gloves, you can get simply kitchen gloves. They will do the job too. Now, if there is WD-40, you need to wipe it clean, and then like this, and turn it very hard to the left, and just unscrew it completely, and see how it is calcified here everywhere. So let's clean it here. And now you need to unscrew the cartridge. But to unscrew the cartridge, it will not be possible just to put the crescent wrench here and unscrew it, because it is stuck here, and this is because of the water dripping all the time. So what we need to do is to put the locking plier here and then hold it firmly and then remove it. So get the locking plier here and then put it here, hold it really firmly like this, and then put the crescent wrench here and just turn it like this, like really firmly. And here it is removed. By the way, I wanted to say a disclaimer. If you don't know what you're doing, or if you're afraid that you break something, please hire a plumber. I'm not responsible if you break something. So now keep on removing it like this. And here it is removed. And this is the bad cartridge. So now let's clean everything like here. And let's get the new cartridge. And the cartridges have colors here. So this is the blue color, it is for cold water. And if you have one for hot water, it will be red, of course. So now make sure that inside is clean. And then put it here and turn it clockwise, first with your hand. And then get the locking plier once again. Hold this like this. And now you need to tighten it. Do not over tighten it so not to break it. And this is enough. Let's test it now. I'm gonna clean everything first, so to make sure that it is not dripping anymore. Let's open the valve now and see that it is working. There are no problems anywhere. And always check underneath the sink. Notice I have put like a receptacle so that if there's water it's gonna drip, it's gonna go into the receptacle. And everything is clean. There is no water dripping. And you can test it like this just before putting the handle. So let me test it to see if everything is working. And notice that everything is working. Nothing is dripping. And now that you make sure that everything is working correctly, you need to put back on the cover, this one here. So just put the cover here. If you want to clean it before, you can clean it. So put it like this, screw it on, and I want to give you an advice: do not over screw it, so if you want to change it later on, it won't be stuck. So just when it stops turning, just stop. And here it is now installed. And now to put back the handlebar, it's easier if you put the screw first here. So put it here, because like this you can screw it easier. And now put it here, it has teeth. And now you can screw back the screw, and do not over tighten it, just screw it until it stops turning. So here it is installed. Now we need to install the cover here. Just put the cover and turn it like this. If you want to check out the cartridges, I'm going to leave a link in the description. It's an affiliate link. If you make a purchase using this link, I'll gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. And if you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.